partiers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am going to be showing you how to do some butterfly centerpieces because spring is coming in, you guys, and butterflies are the trend. So let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys, let's jump right into this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a butterfly diaper cake. A simple butterfly diaper cake, you guys, that you can use for your baby shower centerpiece or whose ever baby shower you're doing. This is strictly a centerpiece, you guys, though. This is not to be used or given to the baby. So strictly a centerpiece, you guys. Okay, so let's jump right into the items that you're going to need to make this butterfly diaper cake centerpiece. First, I have my diapers here, and I got Love's size 1, and I got 38 diapers, you guys, here. I have some Elmer's craft bonding glue, spray adhesive. The spray adhesive is going to be for shreds if you're using shreds between your diaper cake. So I got some brown ones I'm using. That's what color I had at home. So I'm going to put them to use. And then I have my butterflies that I got from Michael's. 2 come in a pack. I have my ribbon that's going to go around my diaper cake. And I have my rubber bands, you guys. So, let's jump right into this video. First things first. Oh, you guys, I also have my cake plate that I made that I'm going to be using for this diaper cake centerpiece. And if you guys want to know how I made this, go find my video on the cake plate stand, and you will see exactly how I made this stand. So let's jump right into this video, you guys. So first things first, I am going to take one of my diapers and I'm gonna push those out the way. Let's see here. I'm going to take my diaper and I'm going to flip it like this. So the open part is going to be facing me. I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it over and I'm going to roll it, you guys. I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to rubber band it like this. And you can use colored rubber bands. I'm just using these tan ones because this is what I have right now. But you can use colored rubber bands to go with whatever theme or design you're doing or colors you're using. So we have one diaper, you guys. And I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible because somehow I always seem to make my videos really long, you guys. And I know some people only watch maybe 3 to 4 minutes worth of a video. So I'm going to try to make it shorter, you guys. So I have a rubber band. Another one of my diapers. And I'm just going to keep folding them and rubber banding them until they're all done, you guys. And I will be back. You guys, so I have rolled all my diapers up and rubber band them. So now what I am going to do, I'm going to take 4 diapers. I'm going to put them together like this, and I'm going to sit them down on my table. And I'm going to take a rubber band, and I'm going to rubber band these 4 diapers together. Just like that, you guys, see? And then I'm going to take these 4 diapers, sit them on my table, and I'm going to build around them with more diapers. So I'm just going to go around the 4 diapers, sitting other diapers. Like this. And I'm going to go around the whole 4 diapers, you guys. Try to sit them up even around here. Let me try another one. Okay, and I'm going to go around. Go around. And see, I got them around, you guys. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take another rubber band. And I'm going to rubber band these diapers. Just 1 minute, you guys. Grabbing a rubber band. Big enough. Okay. So I'm going to rubber band these. Just 1 minute. So you guys, I'm going to stack these around again. And I'll be back to show you the finish. Okay, you guys, so I have rubber band the rest of my diapers around those 4. And this is how it should look. So I'm going to do one more bundle of diapers around this this bunch right here to make it fit my plate. So all I'm going to do is start, like I said, stacking them around. With the rest of the diapers. And I'm going to continue to go around with these diapers. And I'm going to rubber band them, you guys. This bunch. And I will be back to show you. Okay, you guys, so I have bundled the rest of my diapers around. And this is the result. See? And this is 29 diapers right here, you guys. So I'm going to put this aside. And I'm going to see if I can make a little top layer to that with the rest of my diapers. So I have right here 9 diapers, you guys. So let's see what I can do with these 9 diapers. So I'm just going to take 4 and I'm going to rubber band them together. Okay. Now let me take the rest and stack around. So since I have... Okay, you guys, sorry about that. My camera died. So for this smaller top layer, what I did was I did not bundle the 4 on this one. I took 1 diaper for the middle and I surrounded the other diapers around the 1 diaper, you guys, and rubber banded. So here are my 2 layers. Right here. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, is make sure these are straight and even before I put my ribbon around them. So I'm going to take my yellow ribbon that I have. I'm going to open it up, you guys, and I will be back.